Yes, they got chicken.
We're gonna try out some chicken here at the Royal Farm. Rebecca said that, oh yeah, they got a big ass chicken.
Big Worcester. He's a Worcester. He's the Worcester of the chickens.
Said this is the best chicken. I believe Hardee's has the best chicken, but Rebecca says Royal Farm has the best chicken.
So we're gonna get a bucket of Royal Farm for 2 people, and then we're gonna get a bucket of Hardee's, and we're gonna do a taste test.
We'll let Sadie decide. Sadie's going down to the Crystal Coast again. She wanted to see Fort Macon, Civil War battle fort, so we're gonna go down there and check that out. We're waiting patiently for our chicken to arrive. Rebecca actually went in there to get the chicken. We're gonna do a little taste test. Royal Farms chicken. I ain't never had their chicken, so let's see what it's about. Sadie's gonna get a piece. Hi, girl. Alright, here she comes.
Alright, you wanna see what this looks like? We got Old Bay, Buffalo, and Ranch. This is $11 to feed 2 people.
How many pieces?
4? Look at that. Look at that, baby. That's B-more right there.
Is it hot?
William!
She wants to try it too. It's hot.
What are you doing?
It's hot, baby. You gotta let it cool down for a bit. Blow on it.
Look at that.
Here, blow on this.
Dippy sauce.
I can already tell this chicken is way too bready. I mean, Hardee's has real crispy, dark brown chicken. This is like kind of like KFC original recipe.
No, you are talking smack. Don't be talking smack on the internet like that.
It's way too messy and finger licking good. It fell all over my shirt. The chicken just falls apart. I mean, it's good chicken, but I like my chicken to stay up together. I just sit there and fall apart all over my shirt, my pants. I'll be eating little crispy crumbs all over my pants all day long.
I can't even comment to that.
Going into this Civil War fort right here. Fort Macon. Sadie is. Good Lord, girl. Look at all that hair in there. Shedding season. Fort Macon.
It's okay.
No pets. Sadie's gonna have to stay outside if we want to go in, but we can walk around the outskirts of this fort right here. You can only go on the outsides, girl. don't know if this is the visitor center that the dog's not allowed, or
Just
up there at the
inside,
fort. Because up there at the fort, it says that's the way to the fort. There's a cannon.
That is a 30-pounder Parrott rifle.
Whew.
It's 11 feet, 4,200 pounds.
There's a flag up there. See how big you are to that, compared to that cannon.
Sadie, stand by the wheel. So Sadie is 83 pounds, and this is 2,400. What you got?
Looking inside the barrel.
Wow. It's as big as your head.
Can't move it. Oh wow. Going inside the fort, man. Ooh.
Here, watch out. See.
Sweet, don't it?
Let's walk over here.
Yeah, watch your step. Oh wow.
Let's go down there.
Ooh.
Wait. We gotta walk slow, Sadie.
It's nice. These are the steepest steps I've ever been on. Ooh, man.
What's in there, Billy? You go in there. I'm not going in there.
Mhm.
You think this is sleeping quarters?
This is, I don't know. What's it say?
Prisoners?
Could be chow hall.
Chow hall?
Yeah. Come on in here. You can see a gun port. Look at the gun port.
Gun port.
I guess right here they might have had a bigger gun,
Yeah.
you know,
Uh-huh.
and two gun ports right here on the side.
Yeah. Penetrative shooting out there.
It's hard to see through it.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is.
Come on, Sadie, let's get through the fort.
I don't think that's a door. But this right here, over here, looks like maybe like a fireplace or something. I don't know. Let's go over here. It's kind of swampy. Come on, girl. That's it. It's like just rooms like what we were in last time.
Big step forward.
Yeah. It's like the hinges to the door. Look how big it is. Oh, there's the doors. Look at the doors. They're at least 6 inches thick.
Oh, wow. There's the hinges.
Wow.
Secret room in there.
Oh, here's the door. It weighs a lot. Inside of the fort. Cool.
What, Baltimore, baby?
Rice from Baltimore. It's behind bars. Pickled onions from New York.
Salt from New York, sugar from New York, molasses from New York, flour from Baltimore, sauerkraut from New York. North fed to south.
Oh, that's what they ate. Hardtack, hard bread, hardtack. They called it. That's like your C rations or MREs back in the Civil War. They give you hardtack. What? Here's the chow hall. Ooh. They were eating good. Look at that steak right there. That beans, coffee, bread.
Right.
There's a little picture of the chow hall. Ooh.
We're gonna have rifle in one hand and a plate in the other.
Yeah. Look at that plate from back in the day. Cool. Steps. Cannonballs.
Sadie?
Are they 100-pounders or something?
Get us in a picture together. All of us.
Cannonballs.
I thought it was the other building.
Sadie just got kicked out. So it is not allowed inside this one. She's allowed to be on the outside?
Yeah, just can't come across the bridges.
Pets ain't allowed across the
I
bridge.
gotta go ship my windows.
So, I guess the park ranger said you're not allowed to take pets inside the fort. So, if you cross the bridge, no pets. But on the outside, you're allowed to take pets on the outside. Yeah, we were down there in the moat, so we were probably illegal right there. So
Well, it's not crossing the bridge. It's not crossing the bridge.
yeah, we went down the steps actually.
We went down the stairs.
Man,
That was so cool.
we can't get up there.
Oh, yeah, because you can find the steps and you can't find the steps.
Yeah, that would have been a good view, but they got all kinds of cannons around here. And that's the Bogue Inlet right there. So all these cannons will be facing out there when they try to come in. And attack this fort. I can shoot them from right here.
I don't see these steps lead to.
You can go down and back up the other side.
I'll go down and go back up. Let's follow Dad.
Just don't cross the bridge.
You can't cross the bridge. That was good work. Let's see what the steps are. All three of us.
It's a big old cannon.
Down for as tall as
We're at the highest peak of the fort.
yeah.
As tall as them. We're not allowed to go.
This is our safety. Sadie. All right, good.
There's another type of cannon right there. What kind that is?
Wait, stay right here. Stay right here.
Yeah, don't fall off this edge. Ooh. Maybe that's why they make it real soft and wet down there in case you fall off. Flanking defense.
Yep.
Mortar battery. It's a mortar.
So when it shoots, it comes back.
Fort is treacherous. Look, no hand rounds or anything. At your own risk. I like this cannon. I think this is the biggest one by far. 32 pounder. Wow.
Recoil.
That's probably with them balls in there look like 32 pounders.
Yeah, it's a slider too.
So this gun right here takes 5 men to operate it, and it could shoot up to a mile.
Wow.
32 pounder. Trash can or a water hole? A water hole. Cistern for water. Cistern is water. Drinking water.
Yep.
For the fort right there. That's cool. Yeah, please. You're going to climb up there.
There's a peeping hole. There's a peeping hole. Oh, you can put your camera under down there.
Let's try it.
We want to see in the hole.
See what it looks like.
Fire in the hole.
It's full of sand, I think.
Wow.
Girl, I think the well has run dry. It's full of fan. Can't drink fan.
But we can eat mud.
So this is what we were thinking was the fort. And then we stumbled on the original fort. So we were thinking you're not allowed in this place, but it's actually this place and the fort, the interior fort. So but you're allowed on the outside. This is, I guess, a Civil War gift shop or something. Very neat. Some nice cannons over here. Yeah, I'll hold it. Now that in there, girl. Right here it says, no pets, food, or drink allowed in building. You have to wait out here, girl. Whew, there's some water over there. You want to get some water? Come on. Is it good? Is that good? Is that good? She is thirsty. Wow. What y'all looking at, man? You done, girl? Girl.
Come here.
Got her favorite restaurant.
Come here.
Crab Claw. Do some chow. She remembers it.
Come on. The door. Yep. Sadie. Come here. Come here. Come up here.
A short bar walk. Look at Shorty.
Oh, this looks like your mom's dog.
I forgot.
Oh, it's terrible. You know how they do patchwork bathing suit? I mean, patchwork blankets.
Ladies' room. You have to have a, you know what you have to have if she goes to number 2, girl. You better take her out there in the dunes. Take her to wilderness. What do you have over there?
Is that good stuff?
Hey, Bucket! What are you doing? What are you doing in there?